In this video, I'll guide you through how to move cash between your accounts on Trading 212. Whether you're looking to allocate funds to your Invest account or transfer money to your Cash ISA, this simple process will help you do it quickly and efficiently. First, you'll need to open the Trading 212 app on your device. Once you've got the app up and running, head over to your account menu. This is where you'll find all the options related to managing your finances within the app. Navigating to the account menu is the first crucial step because it's the hub for all your account management tasks. Next, you're going to tap on Manage Funds. This option is designed to give you control over how your money is allocated across different accounts. It's a straightforward choice that will take you to the section where you can handle all fund-related activities. Once you're in the Manage Funds section, look for the option that says Move Cash. Tapping on this will allow you to initiate the process of transferring money between your accounts. The interface is user-friendly and should guide you smoothly through each step. Now, it's time to choose the amount you want to transfer. Carefully select the amount that fits your financial strategy or goals. Whether it's a small adjustment or a significant transfer, make sure to double-check the figures to ensure everything is as intended. After selecting the amount, you'll need to decide to which account you want to move the money. You might have various choices here, such as your Invest account or a Cash ISA. Choose the destination account that suits your needs best. This flexibility allows you to manage your portfolio or savings with ease. Once you've made your selections, it's time to confirm the transfer. This is your final step, so take a moment to review all the details. Confirming the transfer will initiate the movement of funds between your accounts. The great thing about Trading 212 is that your funds will move instantly. This means you'll have immediate access to your money in the desired account without any delays. And there you have it. You've just moved cash between your accounts on Trading 212. This process is designed to be quick and straightforward, ensuring that you can manage your finances with minimal hassle. By following these steps, you can efficiently allocate your funds to meet your investment or savings goals. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore more resources or reach out to Trading 212's support team.